Hi guys. Today I will explain how to swap crypto in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple, and the first thing is make sure your app is up to date. The next thing is open your Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open. Here is the homepage of Trust Wallet. Now, in order to swipe your crypto, take a look on the bottom of your mobile screen. You will see multiple options from these. You can see the option of swap. Click on it. Once you will click on the option swap, on the top, you have to select that currency, which you want to swap with another one, like I will click on it. And here I will select USDT. The next thing is, these are crypto, which you want to get in exchange of your USDT. So just for example, I will select Ethereum. Once you will select both if you have enough crypto, then the continue option will be available, because I don't have any balance. So therefore this option is not enable. But once you have your crypto, then tap on the option Continue and confirm your transaction. Then you will swap your crypto in Trust Wallet, and it was way by which you can do it easily.